My name is Davies-Carr. I'm a pre-sales manager at Red Hat. So I manage a group of technologists that look at the latest technology that Red Hat is working on. My history has been really in J2E since about '99. So I've seen lots of applications, lots of different organizations, and lots of migrations. Red Hat is creating a capability, a platform, and we have a lot of knowledge, and of course Red Hat is open source, so there's nothing proprietary about what we do. We already have a number of SIs and partners who are building capability around platform as a service. So what they can do is they can run people's applications in a data center, for example, and those people can have their applications run and pay a management and a service fee. The premise of that all working is that customers are then looking at the deployment of their application. So how is it packaged? How will it then be run? So that fits very nicely into what a container is, and therefore how a microservice may or may not work, because they're coupled by interfaces. So partners and SIs can work from the point of view of being trusted advisors to their customers for taking them to the next generation of their architecture, and then potentially being able to host it. Also understanding the underlying software and deployment capabilities of that. And of course, customers could also OEM and just run their own services as a cloud service to their customers. So again, taking how they may deploy something as an on-site system to a cloud system. So I think there's a number of different areas where partners and system integrators can look at Red Hat and see a capability which they can then either execute themselves, or they could maybe take it to one of the bigger cloud providers like an Amazon or a Google or a Microsoft, and they can plan to deploy their architecture they're creating on one of those services to create a cloud service. So it's really, from our point of view, it's the capability of the platform and the execution model that we're creating and hoping people will use. And that's all based on standards. And that's probably the key point. You've got a standards-based deployment architecture, and you've got a standards-based way of packaging applications. And if everybody takes that into account, it really means that anything can be deployed anywhere, and everybody can take advantage of this, say if you like, this new world or cloud deployment model.